Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will see how to make this beautiful scrunchies. Uh, this is a different pattern from the regular scrunchie video I have posted before. I will provide you the links for the other scrunchie tutorial. You can please check the description box. And these are three different sizes I have made. I will get into the details. First, let's see the yarn. I'm using the craft yarn and the rubber bands, as well as you can use the elastic band that is available in the market. And I'm gonna use scissors towards the end of this project. Then we would need a 3 mm crochet hook. Again, the crochet hook size differs, and it is purely based on the type of yarn you are going to use. Usually the hook size is mentioned in the yarn you buy, so based on that you can choose the hook size. So first let's get started by making a slip knot. So once the slip knot is made, make a chain 1, a chain 2, and so let's continue to make 30 chains here. I'm going to show you how to make the bake a scrunchie. So here I have completed 30 chains and I'm going to make 4 additional chains. So then make a double crochet into the 5th chain from the hook. So if you are a beginner, you can check out my video on crochet basics. I will also provide the link in the description box. So then make chain 1 and so make a double crochet into the second chain. Then make chain 1 and skip one chain space and make another double crochet into the second chain space. So this is the pattern we need to follow till the end of this row. Chain 1 and make a double crochet into the second chain space. So skip the first chain space and into the second chain space, insert the hook and make the double crochet. So I'm working on the last chain space, making a double crochet into the last chain space. So we have completed the second row. For the next row, continue to make chain 4, then flip and make a double crochet into the chain space on top of this DC, the first DC from previous row. Then make chain 1 and make a DC on top of the double crochet from previous round. So this is the pattern we have to follow for this round and for the rest of the rows as well. So we get a beautiful small hole in between the double crochets. I'm working on the last DC of this row. For the last DC, we have to insert the hook into the third chain space. So we have, remember we have made 4 chains towards the end, right? In that we have to make the DC into the third chain space and then make chain 4, flip the pattern and make DC on top of the double crochet from previous row. So this is the pattern we need to follow for as many rows as possible. Here I'm going to make this length of about 15 inches. So here is the full length of the pattern I just made. It is close to 14.5, which is like close to 15 inches length, and the width is 4.5 inches, which contains 30 chain spaces. So you can increase the length or decrease the length based on the fluffiness you would want, like how much fluffiness you want this scrunchie to be. If it is more lengthier, if you put it in the rubber band or the elastic, it is going to be more fluffier. So you can decide, it is up to you. So let us make how to put it inside the rubber band. Just fold it across the width and bring the pattern into the rubber band. And now we are gonna work connecting both the edges by making a slip stitch. So this is how the scrunchie looks when you insert the elastic band. If you want to keep it more lengthy, you can add more length as well. At this point you can remove the rubber band and make it a little more lengthier. So let's see how to connect it. On the other side, insert the hook into the working loop and make sure we are bringing both the edges together to match the stitches on the other side. Now insert the hook into the first chain space of the front edge and then into the corresponding chain space on the other side and make a chain. Then insert the hook into the next chain space on the front edge and then into the corresponding chain space on the back edge. So similarly we have to make slip stitches in each of the chain spaces. This is how the connected edge looks like. So once you use the slip stitch, so continue with the same pattern. So I'm completing the edge here. So once this corner is completed, make sure you are going to close this scrunchie. For that, bring the opposite side of this pattern and match it with the exact chain space. Continue to make a slip stitch in each of the chain spaces, connecting the two sides the same way we did previously. Here I'm trying to hide the tail yarn as we do the crocheting using slip stitch. You can actually hide the tail end towards the end of this stitch as well. There is no right or wrong way to do this. Let's follow the same pattern to complete this round. So once you've completed the half of this side, then twist and turn the remaining half and make slip stitch across. Finally, make chain 1, pull up the loop to about 6 inches length and cut the yarn. Then work on hiding the tail end. So I'm using the crochet hook here to hide the tail end. In case if you are using a tapestry needle, it's better to leave about 10 inches of yarn. It's easy to have a lengthy tail end in case of tapestry needle. I prefer to use the crochet hook and I find it very easy. So it's again up to you to follow your own method. So this is how this scrunchie looks and I'm very happy with this outcome because I've been like thinking about this pattern for quite some time and I tried it today and I'm gonna try other sizes as well. I have showed in the beginning of this video. So for this lavender I have used 11 stitches 11 chain stitches as the base stitch, and for this pink one I have used 15 chains as the base stitch. So that is how you see the difference here. Yes, pink is 15 chains and lavender is 11 chains. So I'm gonna show you how to use a rubber band as well here. And the beauty of this pattern is if the rubber band is torn or you can actually insert a elastic band through this hole and then tie it up. So this scrunchie can be used for many years because this pattern is very versatile to change the elastic that's been used inside the scrunchie. This is kind of flexible and I hope you guys try this tutorial by yourself and you can gift it to your loved ones and your friends and family, and also you can sell them if you have a good customer base. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos. Thank you for watching. Until I see you in the next video, take care.